Hi, everybody. I'm coming to you today to let you know that we're doing a crochet along. It's Nature's Walk, the blanket, and it's a free pattern on Ravelry for 6 of the squares, or the bonus pack is 5 pounds. Let's see, what else is there? We're starting it on Monday, the 3rd of March. I would love to have you all come in to Zoom and work with us. It'll be after my live at noon on Monday. So it'll be 1 p.m. Pacific time, 4 p.m. Eastern that I'll be in Zoom. If you want the information, email me at keritheyarnyelephant@gmail.com. No, don't email that one. I'm sorry. I get too much junk mail there. keritheyarnyelephant and the number 1 at gmail.com. And I will give you the Zoom information so that you can join us in making these squares. And the border is beautiful. It's a fillet of hearts. But anyway, I just wanted to personally invite you to do this. It's going to be a good time. We're going to have fun. Yeah. I love you guys. Take care. Be kind. Love one another. Be blessed. And have a great day. Bye now.